Have you ever noticed that when you turn on your air conditioner, it seems like it's pumping smoke and soot back into your rooms? And it happens every time. That smoke coming out is not just unpleasant, it's damaging your HVAC system and silently contaminating your entire home. This is affecting both the performance of HVAC and the air you breathe in your room. Today, we will break down exactly how smoke affects HVAC systems, why this thing is dangerous, and what restoration looks like to make your air safe again. This video is brought to you by Restorationers.com, who is your trusted network that connects homeowners and business owners with certified restoration professionals across the U.S. If your HVAC system has been exposed to smoke or fire, don't wait. Click the link in the description and our team will connect you with the right restoration experts near you. When smoke enters your HVAC system, it doesn't just leave a smell, it leaves behind tiny particles like soot, ash, and chemical residues. Smoke damage isn't just about what you see or smell. It can deeply affect your HVAC system, decrease its performance, and compromise your indoor air quality as your HVAC struggles. Airflow gets more difficult, filters clog faster, and energy bills rise. Each time the system runs, it can circulate smoke particles and toxins back into your home, which impacts your indoor air quality. These particles often carry harmful chemicals, including volatile organic compounds and other residues depending on what burned. If left untreated, these toxins can linger in your home for years, creating serious health risks. That's why professional restoration is essential. Experts use advanced cleaning techniques, including high-efficiency particulate air filtration, air scrubbers, and thermal fogging to remove particles and neutralize odors. Every component of your HVAC system, coils, ductwork, is thoroughly cleaned, and severely damaged parts are replaced if needed. Not all smoke is the same. Kitchen fires leave protein-based residue, which is sticky and tough to clean, while burning plastics create acidic, corrosive smoke that damages metal quickly. Restoration professionals assess the type of residue and the extent of the damage to determine whether cleaning is enough or replacement is necessary. Ignoring smoke damage can be costly and dangerous. A contaminated HVAC system doesn't just risk breaking down, it continuously pollutes your home's air. Long-term exposure can affect children, elderly family members, or anyone with respiratory issues. So, what can you do to protect yourself? First, avoid running your HVAC system until it's inspected by professionals. After restoration, use high-efficiency filters and change them regularly. Consider additional air purifiers or HEPA scrubbers for extra protection during and after the cleanup process. Smoke damage isn't just about what you see or smell. It can deeply affect your HVAC system, decrease its performance, and compromise your indoor air quality. But with proper restoration, your system can be fully cleaned, safe, and efficient again. If your home has been affected by smoke, don't wait. Click the link in the description to connect with certified experts through Restorationers.com and get your air clean and safe again. Thanks for watching.